Hello everyone, welcome back to Scienceta. Today we're diving into 4 essential principles to ensure you have a restful night's sleep. Let's get started. Number 1. Be mindful of blue light. Using blue light filters like night shift on your phone and laptop can reduce exposure before bedtime. Remember, it helps regulate your sleep-wake cycle. Moving on to tip number 2, maintain a comfortable room temperature between 65 and 69 degrees Fahrenheit. Extreme temperatures, whether too cold or too hot, can disrupt your sleep. So, find that sweet spot for a cozy sleep environment. Now, on to tip number 3. Avoid eating at least 3 hours before bedtime. This helps prevent acid reflux, ensuring that your last meal doesn't interfere with your sleep. A mindful eating habit contributes to a peaceful night. And finally, tip number 4. Incorporate yogurt into your evening routine. Yogurt contains tryptophan, promoting better sleep quality. A small serving before bed can work wonders in helping you relax and unwind. There you have it, folks. 4 simple yet effective tips to enhance your sleep quality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell. Sweet dreams, and thank you very much for watching.